ICS235, and in this video I'm going to try to get you through lab 9.6. So if we on the left I have the lab, and we're doing ensemble models, which combines several models to combines them together to try to get a better prediction. The models that it combines are called base models, and bagging is a way of taking samples and splitting them up into training data and so on, and fitting the base models um, with a bootstrap sample. Um, Generate bootstrap samples. Yeah, bagging first we generate these bootstrap samples, and then we fit the base models to those, and then we use the base models or the fitted base models to make the predictions. So the program we're doing is over here. This is the lab, and we have this MSleep clean data set, which contains sleep habits for 47 mammals, and features include length of REM sleep and so on, awake time, body weight, brain weight, and so we're going to create a data frame uh, consisting of the awake feature, the brain weight feature, and the body weight feature, and then we're trying to predict sleep REM, or random eye movement, and that's the wide data frame, and then we're going to initialize and fit the bagging regressor with 30 base estimators, a random state of 10, and an OOB score of true, and using the OOB score. That variable is true. Okay, so and the output should look like this with this data, and this is the data, and so oops, this one. Okay, so first of all, create a data frame X containing these features in that order. So it can be something like, okay, something like capital X equals, BF is the name, data frame, double square awake, comma, brain weight, comma, body weight. Okay, that's X. And then Y is going to just be, equals the data frame. It's just sleep REM. That one. All right. Okay. Now we want to look at how to we want to find an example using the bagging regressor. So it turns out that if we go to 9 point, not this one, but this one, it's still running, I think. Let me just run it again to let it know we're here, so it doesn't die on us. And as soon as the asterisks all turn to numbers, I think we're done. Okay, well, anyway, so here we see we create the X and the Y for this particular example. And then bagging regret, oh, here's is this the one we're using? Well, we're using bagging regressor. Um, okay, well, if you look at table, okay, so we're going to look at something like this, except for we aren't going to use bagging classifier, we're going to use bagging regressor for this sleep model. And I'm just going to type, okay, let's go up and look at table 2. Okay, so these are the parameters for bagging classifier and bagging regressor. And we want the bagging regressor because bagging for regression models. Okay. And so these are the parameters. And so we have to set estimators, number of base models, and the random state is going to be this one, and the OOB score this out of bag samples is true. It's the way that they choose them. All right, so those are the three parameters. On the function side, they're called parameters. On the calling side, they're called arguments. So I'm going to do bagging regressor this time. And it's going to be n estimators equals 30. I should be looking at this up here, comma, random state, this one right here, equals 10, comma, OOB this, just this here, copy, paste. I can just do that. Okay. And then I have to put, still here. Um, hmm. We have to fit it. I guess we just fit it. Yeah, we have to fit it in, so we have to do the unravel thing. Okay, so it's sleep model fit. Sleep should know this stuff by now. We're gonna fit X with the NP ravel of Y. That's the way they like us to do it. Okay. And this might be all. Let's run this and see what it does. Hmm. Object is not callable. Let's see, sleep, that's in line 15. What is line 15? It's not callable. Oh, that's because I forgot the word fit. There we go. See that? Line 15. It shows this right like this, and it says bagging regress or whatever. That means just this. This itself is not called. It's not callable. You have to include a a function name. All right, so let's run this now. All right, and does that look right? Okay, so I have to the output should be this, and my output is not that. Okay, do I have the parameters correct? 30, random state of 10. If 10 base oh, okay, so they've done that. Okay, so this is what we're supposed to put for when we submit it, but they're telling us what the answer is if we have 10. So I'm going to put 10 here and run it. Yeah, that's what it looks like up here. Okay, so before you submit it, you got to put 30. Okay, So that's it for lab 9.6. Thanks.